Natural light is one of the most desirable features in any Sugar Land home. It makes rooms feel larger, lifts your mood, and enhances the beauty of your interior design. For homeowners looking to brighten their living areas without major renovations, picture windows offer one of the most effective and visually appealing solutions. These wide, fixed-pane windows are designed to showcase outdoor views while welcoming abundant daylight into your home. Here's how picture windows can transform the natural lighting in your Sugar Land living spaces. Expansive glass areas that let in more sunshine. Unlike standard windows that may have grids, sashes, or sliding mechanisms that reduce the glass surface area, picture windows are made of a single, uninterrupted pane of glass. This clean design allows significantly more sunlight to enter your home. In a sunny region like Sugar Land, where bright, warm days are the norm, this means your living room, dining area, or family room can stay naturally illuminated from early morning until sunset. Whether you place them above eye level as transom-style picture windows or install large floor-to-ceiling versions, the increased exposure to the outdoors instantly changes the feel of the room. Homeowners often notice reduced dependence on artificial lighting during the day, which contributes to a more comfortable, uplifting environment. Bringing the beauty of the outdoors inside, one of the biggest draws of picture windows is the ability to frame scenic outdoor views. In Sugar Land, many homes are surrounded by lush landscaping, neighborhood lakes, or beautiful backyard spaces. A picture window acts like a living portrait, allowing these views to become part of your interior decor. This connection with nature also enhances natural lighting benefits. When your eyes can easily adjust to the brightness outside, the room feels more balanced and visually appealing. The interplay of sunlight, shadows, and outdoor colors creates a serene atmosphere that's difficult to achieve with standard windows, enhancing interior design and room ambiance. Bright, well-lit rooms feel more open and inviting, and picture windows provide homeowners in Sugar Land an easy way to maximize this effect. The natural light they bring in highlights architectural details, brightens wall colors, and makes furniture look richer and more vibrant. Whether your interior style is modern, farmhouse, or traditional, picture windows act as a design anchor that elevates the room's overall aesthetic. Natural light also contributes to a healthier indoor environment. Sunlight makes rooms feel cleaner and more refreshing, which is especially beneficial in high-traffic living spaces. The warm glow from the Texas sun can make gatherings, family time, or quiet evenings more enjoyable. Reducing energy use with strategic placement. With Sugar Land's abundant sunshine, smartly placed picture windows can reduce your reliance on electrical lighting. When strategically installed in areas where your home receives consistent daylight, such as south or east-facing walls, picture windows can significantly reduce daytime electricity use. Modern picture windows also come with advanced energy-efficient features such as low-E coatings, double or triple glazing, and insulated frames. These upgrades help minimize heat transfer, keeping your home more comfortable even when temperatures rise. The result is a bright, airy living space that remains energy efficient all year long. Creating a more open and spacious feel, picture windows visually expand your living area. Because they offer wide, unobstructed views, they make rooms feel larger and less confined. This illusion of space is especially valuable in Sugar Land homes where homeowners may want to make family rooms or gathering areas feel more open without taking on costly remodeling projects. Pairing picture windows with other window styles, such as casement or double-hung windows, can also give you the best of both worlds. Abundant natural light from the picture window and useful airflow from operable windows. A simple way to transform your home. If you're searching for a way to brighten your Sugar Land living areas, picture windows offer a high-impact, low-maintenance upgrade. They bring in generous natural light, enhance your home's aesthetics, improve energy efficiency, and create a more comfortable, inviting space for your family. Installing picture windows is an investment that pays off in beauty, comfort, and long-term value, making them one of the most effective ways to transform the heart of your home.